Hello, Numberblock friends! Can you guess of my today's video? That's it! In today's video, we're going to explore the Numberblock 1 and 2 times table. Do you know why do I show you the number times table? It's because times table is very important for everyone and you guys to use it for the daily activities. Anyways, let's go to the Numberblock 1 times table. Here is our Numberblock 1. Numberblock 1 is made out of one red cube over one red block, and she has one big round eye. This is to represent 1 in 1 block. So I have 1, 1, which means 1 lots of 1 is 1, or 1 times 1 is 1. And here is another 1, so which means I got 2 1s. So 2 lots of 1s are, ta-da! It's our Numberblock 2. Numberblock 2 is made out of 2 orange blocks. And he has the purple pair of glasses because he has 2 eyes. And he also loves everything pairs. And he has Numberblock 1 is his best friend. That's why he has 2 soft socks and orange shoes to dance every day. And only 2. And let's find the another one. And here is the another one. So 3 lots of 1s, or 3 1s are, ta-da! It's our Numberblock 3. Numberblock 3 is made out of 3 yellow blocks. This is because to represent that 3 is made out of 3 1s. And we can recognize her by she's wearing the 3 pointed red crowns and 3 juggling bowls. This is to represent that 3 loves to entertain everyone and make everyone laugh. And if we change the position, if I change the position, I can do another Numberblock multiplication table. Here is another one, so 4 lots of 1s are 4. I changed the 3 position because I want to make the Numberblock 4 is a square. Well, you see, Numberblock 4 is made out of 4 1s, but also 2 2s. But sometimes 2 terrible 2s. Well, if he is made out of 2 lots of 2s, or 2 by 2 square, that's why he has 4 square eyebrows. And 1 eyebrow has 2 squares. So 2 lots of 2s are 4. And Numberblock 4 has a pet named Squarey. If we change the position to make the 5 lots of 1, the Numberblock 4 I changed into straight line, too easy to make the Numberblock 5. Anyways, here is the another one. And then we got 5 1s. So 5 lots of 1s, or 5 1s are, ta-da! It's our Numberblock 5. Numberblock 5 is made out of 5 1s. I changed the Numberblock 4 into straight line too easier to make the Numberblock 5. Well, Numberblock 5 has the star-shaped eye at the left because she's made out of 5 1s. And 1 star has 5 points, so 1 out of 5 is 5. She has a big hand to high five with everyone and her friends, and she loves band too. That's why she has the star-shaped guitar. If we change the Numberblock 5 in 2 blocks wide, then it's very easy to continue our Numberblock times table. Here is our Numberblock 1 again. So 6 lots of 1s are 6. 6 is made out of 6 indigo blocks. Well, Numberblock 6 is made out of 6 1s, 3 2s, or 2 3s, or 1 6. So which means she has eyelashes. 1 eye has 3 eyelashes, so 2 eyes has 2 times 3 equals 6 eyelashes. Well, she has the dot pattern to represent the dice because she has a dice and she loves to play games. And she also made her own pattern palettes. So cool. And she also loves to make a rhyme with the words. Or we can call poem. Right, everyone? But it's not a poem, it's a remix. Anyways, let's change the position of the number block 6. There, number block 6 in the straight line. And we have another one to make it easier to make the number block times table. Anyways, we have 7 ones. So 7 lots of ones are 7. 7 is made out of 7 ones. Well, 7 is a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Well, 7 is the number which is very lucky because rainbow to represent the lucky number. That's why he has the rainbow hairs. And he's always lucky when everyone has the number block 7, the luckiest number block in the Numberland. If we change the position of the number block 7, there, it's very easy to make the 8 lots of ones. Here is another one. 8 lots of ones are 8. Number block 8 is made out of 8 ones. Well, he has or we can call octoblock. He has 8 spikes and 8 tentacles to make his own activities like climb, crawl, and tickle his friends, and so on. Well, number block 8 has the 8 spikes on his eye. One eye has 4 spikes, so 2 lots of 4s are 8. Well, he can split into 2 4s or 4 2s, or 2 2 2s. Wait, do you hear 2 2 2s? 2 lots of 2 square 2s. We can make a new position in the episode in the season 7, which is a shape of a cube club. Well, number block 8 is a cube, second member of the cube club. The numbers which can make cube is a superhero. 2 by 2 by 2. Like this. So cool, just like 27. Alright, let's go ahead to the next number. We've got another one, so 9 lots of ones are 9. Number block 9 is made out of 9 ones. But wait, do you notice that 9 has 3 grays and he has the square eyes? Yes, number block 9 has 3 grays. It's because he can split into 3 3s. Well, 3 3 is made out of 3 3 is 9, and which means he can play 3 blocks wide and 3 blocks tall, which means he is the square, but bigger than 4 and stronger than 4 and 1. He's the third member of the square club. If we change the position, there, 2 blocks wide, and then we go ahead to the last number block is 10 lots of ones are 10. 10 is made out of 10 ones, and she has 10 white blocks with 1 red border. So one border has 10 blocks. So 1 red border, red represents the number block 1. So 1 border is made out of 1 lots of 10s are 10. And she has 10 fingers to make it easier to count the number block 1 to 10. And she has 2 star-shaped eye because 1 star has 5 points and 2 lots of 5s which has 2 eyes. 2 lots of 5s are 10. And that was the end of the number block 1 times table. Alright, let's move to another times table, which is a number block 2 times table. Number block 2 is made out of 2 ones, and he has the purple glasses. It's because he loves everything is pair and he loves to dance too. Well, number block 2, I have 1, 2, so 1 lot of 2 is 2. Alright, here is another 2. So I have 2 2s, which is 2 terrible 2s. And just kidding. Anyways, I have 2 2s. So 2 lots of 2s are 4. Number block 4 is made out of 2 2s. Well, number block 4 is the member of the Square Club because he can make 2 blocks wide and 2 blocks tall. And he has the pet named Squarey, which means I can call 2 lots of 2s are 4. Let's go to the another times table. I have 3 2s, so 3 lots of 2s are 6. Number block 6 is made out of 6 indigo blocks, and she's made out of 3 2s. And that's why she has 6 eyelashes. One eye has 3 eyelashes. So 2 lots of 3s are 6. And she has the dots on her body to represent the dice, because 6 has 1 dice to play her board game and make the pattern palace. And she loves to make a rhyme or the remix. Anyways, I have 3 lots of 2s now. So 3 lots of 2s are 6. We've got the another 2. So 4 lots of 2s are 8. Number block 8 is made out of 8 pink blocks. Well, number block 8 is made out of 2 4s or 4 2s. We can also call the number block 8 is a cube club. Number block 8 is made out of 2 by 2 by 2. Wow, he has a new position from the season 7, just like 27. There we go. And let's add the another 2. So I have 5 2s. 5 lots of 2s are 10. Number block 10 is made out of 10 white blocks with 1 red border, because 110 is 10. And she has this 2 star-shaped eye, which means 1 star has 5 points. So 2 lots of 5s are 10. So that's why she has a 2 star-shaped eye. And she loves to blast up in the space. Well, 2 and 5 lots of 2s are 10. And then we have the another 2 again. Let's change the number block 10 in the another position. There, I laid 3 blocks wide. And then we change the number block 2 in 1 block wide and 2 blocks tall. So 10 lots of 2s are 12. 12 is made out of 6 lots of 2s. But also, she's made out of 3 lots of 4s or 4 lots of 3s. That's why she has the red rectangle eyes to represent that she's the first member of the Super Rectangle Club. The numbers which can make 6 or 7 rectangles, which means that member is in the club Super Rectangle, just like 12, 18, and 20. Anyways, let's change the number block 12 in 2 blocks wide. Like this, you got 6 lots of 2s or 6 rows of 2. Let's add the another 2. Here's the another 2. I've got 7 lots of 2s. 7 lots of 2s are 14. Number block 14 is made out of 7 lots of 2s. That's why he has 2 rainbow eyebrows to represent that 2 7s are 14. But 14 has the helmet, which means he's the member of the Skater Club. He is the first member of the Skater Club. He loves to skate in every time. Whee! Let's take off the skateboard. Alright, let's add the another 2 by changing the number block 14 in another position. There we go, laying 4 blocks wide. And we got the another 2, so which means, oopsie, 8 lots of 2s are 16. 16 is made out of 8 2s. Well, she is the member of the Doubler Club. If we keep double from 1, you can reach to number block 16. But wait, do you notice that number block 16 has the square eyes? That's right, because 16 is made out of, oopsie, 4 fours. Well, 4 fours, she is the member of the square club. Fourth member of the square club, including 9, 4, and 1. Well, let's change the number block 16 in the another position. There. The 3 box 5 of the number block 16. Anyways, let's add the another 2. 9, lots of 2s are. There, number block 18. 18 is made out of 9 lots of 2s, or 2 lots of 9s, or 3 lots of 6s, or 6 lots of 3s. Well, you hear that so many divisors or the splits into the others numbers, which means he's another member of the Super Rectangle Club. But he's super speedy, faster than 12, right? Her sister named 12, and she is the member of the Super Rectangle Club with the number block 18. That's why 18 has the rectangle eyes and eyebrows. Anyways, let's change the formation to make our last number block times table. Alright, 2 lots of 9s, or 9 lots of 2s. Here is our number block 18, and we got the last number 2, but not all. So 10 lots of 2s are 20. 20 is made out of 10 2s. And he has glasses just like 2. But there's 3 difference is 20 has eyebrows, bow tie, and a top hat, unlike number block 2. But 20 loves to dance 2 10s tango because he can split into 2 10s. Well, that was the end of today's video of the number block 1 and 2 times table. If you enjoyed this video, you can click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.